Hello everybody, so today we're going to do a tutorial video. It's called How to Uninstall Overwatch 2 on Windows 10. So that's what we're going to do today in this video. So the first thing you need to open your battle.net app. Alright, so go ahead and do that now. Alright, so go to open up your battle.net. So the next thing you want to do is go to your options down here and then hit uninstall. As you can see, it says uninstall. So all you have to do is just click on it and then you should be good to go. And then all you have to do is hit yes. And then it's completely uninstalling from your computer. And then you should be good to go. And if you get an administrator, just say yes. And it shouldn't take no more than just a few minutes here today. So there you go. Now it's completely removed from your computer for Overwatch 2. So I guess that's pretty much it today. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. So I just want to say thank you, and I'll see you guys later.